Hey Vikings, it's Miss Hames, and this is Just the Facts 7.4. Alright, this episode, or it's Just the Facts, is going to talk about igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. So here's the overall Just the Facts chart. If you want to refer to it, make sure you watch the whole video. Alright, so igneous. You might think about ignite. Igneous, and when you ignite something, you're setting it on fire. So this is supposed to be fire over here. Okay, fire. Igneous. Think about fire, and igneous. The process that creates igneous rock is melting and cooling. Think about fire, and when I say melting, it's rock is down below the Earth's surface, and it is completely melted. Not just heated a little bit, but completely melted. It's completely melted, so think fire. And then when it cools down, then it creates an igneous rock. So magma, which we've talked about, is molten rock underneath the surface, and lava is molten rock that has reached the surface, like out a volcano. When magma, which is molten rock, which means completely melted rock, when it's melted, making it magma, and then when it cools down, that is igneous rock. And because of the way that it's created, you are not going to find fossils in this kind of rock. There are going to be no fossils because it will have been destroyed by heat. Sorry, the T kind of got left off there. No fossils, destroyed by heat. So you're not going to find fossils in igneous rock. Just another couple things about igneous rock. The rate of cooling determines the size of the crystals that you might find in igneous rock. The slower the cooling, the larger the crystal. And I have this the L for slow. Goes with L for larger, so the slower the cooling, the larger the crystal. It's just a silly way that helps you remember it. And there's two kinds of igneous rock. There is extrusive and intrusive. And extrusive, like external, exit, is outside. And that's igneous rock that forms, basically at or near the outside of the Earth's surface, okay? And intrusive, inside, is igneous rock that forms below the surface. All right? And that is igneous rock.